Yahoo! Hooray! Finally I got this. The BYJU'S learning whole kit. It is of 8th to 10th standard course of 3 years. I bought this 40,000 rupees. So they have a mentor helpline number. If any query we all asking this number. Please do not accept if the packet has been tampered with. Okay, so it's my detail. I will order it on 23/10/18 and I will got this in 2 days at 25. So let's unbox it. It is very useful. See this? It is very useful. This is their websites: facebook.com BYJUS learning app, YouTube BYJUS classes. Keep your city clean. So this packet is normal. See? So let's unbox it. I will very happy and exciting to what in this. So let's see that. First of all, we cut the cutter. I have a magic hand. Cutter, please. String. See this. This were opened. So let's remove it. Carefully remove it because they have the tab in this. So this is the plastic packaging of outer. So this is our bag of BYJU'S we will get from BYJU'S. Let's see the bag. First I will remove this also plastic. One more cutter please. Okay, my cutter is very best. So I will remove this bag. So this is the bag. You will see they have a logo of BYJUS, the learning app. It can be sieved. Okay, and in one more logo get here. It is very bold. And their cloth is very good quality. It is very simple bag, and it for the school and classes, not for school because they have only 2 chains. This is the first tiffin like, and this is the inner. It have no inner. इसमें कोई और कप्पा नहीं है और इधर it's bottle. So it's the bag of BYJU'S which will very good. College students, it is my part 1 and this part 1 is ended. Let's see next part 2. Our next surprise. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share it.